Morning class R, we're just out for our daily walk and Fred, because he loves phonics, wants to play I Spy. Okay, we ready? Okay, he says, I spy with my little eye something beginning with B. What do you mean I'm not going to get it? Of course I am. Is it bush? No, okay. Oh, okay, maybe I won't get it. Would you like a clue? Yes, please. Okay, the second sound is which makes a blend. Br. Is it branch? I can see lots of branches. No. Okay, I'll keep going. He spies something big. Is it bridge? Yes. Okay, my turn. I spy with my little eye something beginning with S. Fred, where can you see sausages? Anywhere. We're outside. Sign. Think it's sign? It was. Well done, Fred. See if you can have a play on your walk.